everybody, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Sarah, and this is Rich and Sarah Learning as We Grow. So this is something I don't know that I've shared with you guys about before, but I am a huge thrifter, which means I love to go to thrift stores and to shop and to see like what cool items I can find. I mean, there's always something for everybody. I can buy name brands at a fraction of the cost. I can find older, like nostalgic items, clothing, gifts, all sorts of things. So today we are talking all about mom on our channel because this is the week of Mother's Day and it is Mom's Week. I want to share with you guys some fun thrifting gift ideas that you can find and repurpose and make for your mom this Mother's Day that don't cost that much money. So stay tuned and let's get thrifting.
First, we have this beautiful vintage hat that I found at a thrift store. It is in wonderful condition. It was $2, everyone, $2. I mean, you cannot beat that. It's got a wool type of fabric. It had no holes in it. It was absolutely perfect, no threads missing. I picked up the scarf for $1 to add a little bit of jazz to it. You could take the scarf off, but totally with the scarf and the hat, it was a total of $3. Mom will love to wear this to a garden party or out in the afternoon tea or to church. This next gift is so much fun. It's a mom's movie package for a mom's night in. I ended up buying goodies from Target for $10 for all the goodies, and then I used an old bowl that I had at home or a basket, and the movies were $1.50 each at the thrift store. You have to be careful to check for scratches, but all of these had no scratches and they were in excellent condition, and mom will love a mom's movie night. Here's another gift mom will love. At the thrift store, you can find beautiful frames, picture frames, and you can put a picture of you and your mom in it, or your mom and her grandchildren, or whatever. But this frame was $1.50, you guys, and it's beautiful. It has some little gold filigree around the side. Put this picture of myself with my mom in it, and I know she'll love it, and it's a keepsake she can always remember. So here's another picture frame idea. What I did was I bought a frame for $1 at the thrift store, and then I took an old calendar that I just had as an old gift. It's a Mary Englebright calendar, and there's tons of beautiful pictures of mothers with children in it, almost one for every month. And I basically just took the pictures out, cut them up very nicely, and then I will put them into the picture frames that I want to give away to people. And I think it's cute. It's nice for your desk, it's nice to have in your office, or even just around the house, and you can choose which picture from the calendar that you would like to have to correspond with that frame. So that was a really cheap gift, $1, and look how pretty it looks, you guys. It does not look like a $1 gift to me at all. I saved this idea for last because it is one of my favorites. So it can be used as a centerpiece gift that you can give to mom when you have her over for Mother's Day lunch or brunch. She can enjoy it while she eats, but then she can also take home this gift. Okay, so let's deconstruct this gift. This is a beautiful platter that was $3. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. It's very well made. Then we have this handmade little doily napkin, which was $1, and you can kind of place that beautifully on there. What I love about this gift is everything can be used separately and individually. Then we have a gorgeous picture frame that I picked up for $2, and you can, again, place a photo of you and mom in there or whatever you would like. We have these adorable little topiaries that were about $1 each. And then we have our teacup that again was $1. And it's very cute. It's like actually hand painted, and it was such a buy. It's a teacup and a saucer for $1. All right, next we have this gorgeous necklace, these beautiful pink beads that mom can wear, and this is an old-fashioned perfume bottle that was $1.50. And mom can again use that. The beads were 50 cents. And lastly, we will make sure to wrap the beads around the perfume bottle just to make it look a little bit more feminine and just, you know, give mom that special touch. And then add a rose. And that is it, you guys. That entire beautiful centerpiece.
All right, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me today. I had such a good time. I love to go thrifting. I set a budget and I try to go every couple weeks and just kind of look at clothing, especially kids clothing, because a lot of it is in great condition and great brands, good quality, and kids don't wear clothes very long. So that's another tip. But all of these gifts today that I shared with you were under $15. I think the most expensive gift we had was the centerpiece gift, and that was for like $12, $12.50. You just can't beat that. And I know these are gifts that are great quality that mom mom will love. And I hope we've given you a few Mother's Day gift ideas to help your mother have a special and happy Mother's Day this year. Alright, so if you guys liked today's vlog and you want to see more thrifting vlogs and more vlogs like this, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that little bell, give it a ring so that you will never miss one of our videos, and leave us a comment. Let us know if you liked it. Let us know what other kind of thrifting videos you might like to see, and I read every comment, so I try to answer them and get back to you, and we will try to film something that you might ask us to. Also, we are doing, alright guys, it's time to close our channel, so you know what that means. Roll the tape!
Hi guys, Megan Hanson here. Just wanted to swing by and tell you guys to keep on growing. Peace. See you mañana.